top up over that, the program also have a number of key important topics to build the capacity or uplift the capacity of the senior banker across the region.
In the digital age, like today, we need all the banks need to join together for the new technology comings, and we would apply the new technologies to our customer incentives.
Actually, this program is really eye-opening and very beneficial, I think, for all the participants. So for me, especially to sharpen your leadership skill, not only in the technical part, but also in the soft skill part.
One country, we are very small fish in the pond, but together we can be very smart and to compete with the very big fish in the market.
I think it's good for all the bankers, non-bankers of the CLMVT countries can having knowledge sharing together, especially for the world that changing. We all have to adapt and reskill ourselves